Hi, AT from CNC at Home. It's been a little bit since we've put a video out, and it might be a few more weeks before we get a new one out. We did have a death in the family, and I've been preoccupied with taking care of some of those matters, and my extra time that would have been moved towards or used towards CNC at Home has been taken up with that. I apologize for that. We will get some new content out soon, but it may be a couple more weeks before that happens. Anyway, I hope everybody understands, and hopefully you are continuing to do your CNC at home projects. So I wanted to get a quick note out just to let everybody know kind of what was going on, and we'll be getting back at it here hopefully in the next week or two. In the meantime, enjoy the spring. Have fun doing your CNC at home projects.